The first step is to connect the cable to the fuse box, along the edge of the front windshield, into the interior panel. And the original car seal is in place. When the car is turned off, we connect the fuse box. First, use the tool to pry open the cover on the driver's side. Then take out the small box in front of the knee. Pass the cable through the small hole on the side and pull it out through the opening at this position. This black wire is an iron wire. The black wire is fixed to the iron position in the fuse box, or put it under the screw. This yellow wire is for regular electricity. Constant power means that after the car is turned off, always have electricity. The red line is the ACC line. The red cable is connected to the ACC power supply. It can connect to the car's power port. That's off before the key is turned on, and on afterward. So here's a little demonstration. Use an electric pen to measure and find normal and ACC electricity. First, clip the electric pen on the iron. Measure with the car key turned off. Find the constant electrical interface. Just contact the two small white dots up and down the fuse with an electric pen. No light equals not constant power. Light equals constant power circuit. Pull out this fuse vigorously. Plug the yellow cable into this constant power interface. Don't worry about the car missing the fuse, because the plug on this wire itself is a fuse. Now turn on the car key or start the car on fire. Measure with an electric pen. Then compare the previous measurement when the key was closed. The car is currently turned off. Use a test pen to check there is no light. Next, start the car. You will notice that after starting the car, the test pen lights up when you measure again. Then this fuse can be considered as an ACC power fuse. Remove this fuse again. Plug the red cable plug into this port. Finally, fix the black wire to the iron frame. The black wire can be secured beneath the screw on the iron frame. After connecting the cables, tidy it up with tape or zip ties and hide it inside. Reset the small box and the side cover. Step 2. Route the rear view camera wiring. You just need to pull the sealant and use a small tool to slightly pry open the interior panel, and then you can hide the cable. The third step is to install the GPS positioning component. First, use a small tool to pry open the panel on the passenger side. Remove the strip interior panel on the passenger side. Place the GPS component in the corner, so that the cable can fit into the gap of the vehicle's corner. If the cable is too long, you can neatly roll it up and hide it in this corner. The cable passes through the pillar. And pass above the front windshield. And hide it in the interior panel. Hide it. Reset the interior panel and side cover of the pillar. Reset the door seal. Our dashcam has two hidden wiring options, single rail, dual rail. Please measure the distance from the panel above the windshield to the upper part of the interior rearview mirror bracket before installation. For distances up to 4 inches 10 centimeters, both dual rail and single rail brackets can be used. For distances exceeding 4 inches 10 centimeters, only the single rail bracket is compatible. Dual rail installation method. Next, let's demonstrate the installation method using the dual rail. First, let's install the two retractable components onto the main unit. The assembly process is just like playing with Legos. Make sure the connection is firmly snapped into place. There should be no gaps at all, just like this. Now, let's install the components on the other side in the same manner. Tidy up the wires. Remove the red plastic paper from the adhesive on the bottom of the main unit. We're ready to install the main unit. We attach the main unit to the bottom of the rearview mirror bracket with adhesive. Then, we remove the main unit and use a tool to expel the air trapped in the adhesive. Clamp the main unit onto the newly adhered base. Wiring section. 3 such wires extend from the dashcam. We connect the yellow wire to the red ACC wire, the blue wire to the GPS module wire, the black wire to the rear view camera wire. This is what all the wire connections look like after completion. Next, we'll conceal all the wires inside the top trim panel. Slide this small component upwards to gradually cover the cables, and do the same on the other side. Now, let's take a look at and appreciate the final result. Single bar installation method. Compare the distance between the top interior trim panel and the top of the rear view mirror support base using the single bar component. Break off the excess part and retain the two segments that can be telescopic or adjustable. Let's first conduct a pre-assembly so that you can understand it better. Stack the two segments into a telescopic state. Use a U-shaped cable routing component to secure the end of the dashcam's cable. Then insert the stacked segments, and neatly arrange the cable inside the segments to achieve concealed installation. During formal installation, affix the dashcam main unit to the rear view mirror base, remove the main unit, and use a tool to scrape away any air trapped on the base to ensure a snug fit. Align the clips, and reinstall the main unit. Neatly tuck the cable into the cable routing assembly, and then snap it into the top interior trim panel. Finally, we peel off the films on both sides of the rear camera, stick it in an appropriate position, and adjust the shooting angle. Then, the entire installation is complete.